Hi there. In this lesson, we will learn about cropping. So what is cropping in Adobe Photoshop? Cropping is the process of removing portion of a photo to create focus to the composition. Use the crop tool to crop and straighten photos in Adobe Photoshop. The crop tool is non-destructive and you can choose to retain the cropped pixel to optimize the crop boundaries later. The crop tool also provides intuitive methods to straighten a photo while cropping. So let's take a look how cropping is working in Adobe Photoshop with details example. So at first we have to open our exercise file and therefore we have to click on File menu, and from there we will go for Open option. And inside the content area and cropping folder you will get this L1 unsplash image, and along with that we will open this zoo1 unsplash image, and along with that we will open orange fruit image. We will open this three image and let me click open. So this is our images, and you can take a look in this image. It's have some extra space in top and we don't want to put this top part. We want to crop it and therefore we have to use crop tool. And here is the crop tool. You can take a look. This is the crop tool, and let me click on here, and then after clicking the crop tool you will get this frame. So we don't want to put this top white part. We want to crop this top white part, and therefore we have to select which part we will keep in this image. So let's select the area which we want to keep. Okay, we want to keep till here, and inside this frame you have to place the area which you want to keep in the image. And you can take a look the top part. We are not selecting the top part with this frame, and you can hit enter button or you can click on this tick mark on your software. So let me click on this tick mark and you can take a look the top part, the top white part is removed using the crop tool. So this is how you will simply crop some images in Adobe Photoshop. Right now I'm going to show you some different use of crop tool in Adobe Photoshop. Suppose you want to enlarge the frame size for this image, and you want to create a blank space beside this image, and you want to place another image in the blank space. So how will you do that? You can do that easily with the crop tool. So let's use the crop tool once again, and let's increase the area in here, and you can take a look, a new white space will be added. So you can take a look, a new white space is added on here, and we want to place another image in here, and this is how you will increase or you will add the white or blank space in any image using crop tool. So let me click on this tick mark or you can hit enter button on your keyboard. Okay, I want to place an orange in here. So let me open the orange fruit image, and you can take a look. Here is a two orange, one is full orange and one is a half orange, and I want to place this half orange image on L1 unsplash image where we extend the area. So let's crop it. I don't want to use this full orange, I want to use this half orange, and let me click on the tick mark. And now we will move this half orange image in our L1 unsplash image, and before moving we have to unlock this background layer, and you can do that in two ways. The first way, you just have to rename this layer name, or you can just click on this lock icon. So you can do any one of them. So let me rename the layer name. You just have to double click on here and let me write half orange. Okay, half orange, and let me click OK. And you can take a look, this layer is unlocked and we don't have any lock icon in here. And right now we will move this half orange by using move tool. So here is the move tool and we will use the drag and drop option. So you have to drag this image from here and we have to drop in unsplash L1 unsplash image, and here is the image, and let's scale it. You just have to press Ctrl or Command T and let's scale it properly. Okay, cool. So this is how you will add some blank space in image using crop tool. Right now I'm going to show you about the content aware cropping in Adobe Photoshop. This is an amazing feature of content aware cropping in Photoshop, and that's really awesome. To explain you in details about the content aware cropping, I want to open this zoom unsplash image. So let me open this image and you can take a look, 3 birds are flying on the sky. And I want to enlarge this image, I want to increase the frame size, and I want to add some more spaces in here, and the more space I want to cover with the sky, and we have to do that using the crop tool. So here is the frame for crop tool. You just have to use this crop tool and you have to make sure this content aware field is selected. So let me tick on here and you can take a look, this content aware field is selected and I want to increase the area of sky and I want to enlarge this frame size and I want to cover the extra areas with the sky. So let's do that. Let's increase the area of sky till here. And you can press enter button from your keyboard or you can click on this tick mark. So let me click on this tick mark. Boom. You can take a look, the magic. You can take a look, our image is enlarged and you can take a look, the extra spaces which we increased and we just covered these extra spaces with the blue sky. So this is how you will use content aware and cropping in Adobe Photoshop. So see you in next lesson.